This cold rice salad recipe is a Thai dish that will redefine your ideas about rice salad. A great recipe to use up leftover rice or a novel mackerel salad that's full of Thai taste. Are you ready for something completely different? If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Fantastic Thai dishes don't come much simpler than this. Eaten cold or slightly warm, its beauty comes with the herbs and spices you mix with the rice and fish as you eat. Let's explore some tests. Can you tell people about the ingredients?
Mackerel.
Jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice. Raspberry.
What about this one?
Cucumber.
Spring
Spring
onion.
onion. Green onion. Lemongrass. Ginger.
Coffee lime leaf.
Coffee lime leaf. Mint. Green apple. Cashew nuts.
Right. No, you don't eat it.
Chili. Shallot. Lime.
Palm.
Palm sugar. Brown sugar. Chili flake. Fish sauce.
Cooking oil for fried fish.
You put it in the pan though, but there's some in the pan already.
Yeah. First of all, I have to cook the mackerel. Basically, the mackerel is already steamed and I think it's already cooked, but I want it fried before I do salad. Turn the heat on and add cooking oil in frying pan. Once the oil hot, I will add the fish, fry the fish in there, right? Once we put the fish in the pan, so don't disturbing the fish yet. Let it go about 2-3 minutes, then you can flip it over to the other side. And this process you have to be careful because the hot oil will explode it, splatter, and it will hurt your arms, your fingers. No kids around when you're doing this. We just want the fish done like that. If you get that color, which means the fish is ready. Don't cook it too long because the fish is going to get too dry. If you haven't got a splatter cover, you can just put the lid on like this. The fish is done. Leave the fish cold a little bit because I cannot take the meat out while it's hot. While we waiting for the fish to cool down, let's get on chopping up the herbs for salad. Chop ginger. Take the skin off. So you can take the skin off by what's the word? I don't know what's it called.
Peeling.
Julienne it and then chop it in dice like that. Lemongrass. The purple bit here is a nice smell, is a good bit. Spring onion, we only want the green bit to get green color. in the salad. Don't mix them up yet. Shallot, slice very thinly. Put less chili, so this time, this recipe I use 2 chili. You can just use half or 1 chili. Lime, some for put in salad. Chop it up like this, small pieces. And some we will use to make salad dressing. Green apple. If you have mango, green mango, you can use green mango. Coffee lime leaf. Take the middle part off like that. And then before you julienne it, just roll it out. Right, what else? Cucumber, I used to put it on the side. So before you chop it or slice it, take the skin off like that by using the peeler. Make it pretty. Slide it up like that. I'm going to take the meat out. First, make sure your hands clean, or you can put glove on like this. Take the head off first, make it easy to take the meat. So I will keep one side just like that. Make sure you take the bone out properly. Take the bone out from the side. And check in the middle. Right, one done. Tear it like that before we put in salad. Let's get on with the salad dressing. Fish sauce. For the sweetness, you can use brown sugar or stevia soaked in water. Here's brown sugar. And the stevia has no calorie in it. So it's probably good for you if you want to diet. And this time I prefer to use stevia instead. 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes, half a teaspoon. Lime juice, 1 tablespoon. Then add some ginger, lemongrass, shallot, coffee lime leaf, and chopped spring onion. Then mix together. Then add the fish, raspberry, jasmine rice, then we mix it up. I'm going to add some chili. So now let's serve it up. Go. So let me put the side dish in. Cashew nuts, already fried it. Spring onion here.